Hey guys, Arpita here. Welcome back to my channel. You may be surprised seeing me like this. So today I am doing a special video in my channel, so which I have not done in the past. So I am doing a vlog today. Vlog means I am not going outside or something. Today is Saturday weekend. So what I'll be sharing with you guys is what I'll be doing in a weekend. Basically, I'm a working woman. So Monday to Friday I'll be rushing to office. Things will go like that, but Saturday Sunday is something which I have planned and do. So I thought I'll be sharing with you guys, and you may love this video. So if so, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, and also comment below if you want to see my weekend routine or what I'll be doing when it is off or a festive day, something like that. I'll be very happy to do that. So as I said, today is Saturday, so I'll get up very late on weekends because every day we'll be getting up too early, taking bath, rushing to the office. Things will go like that. But Saturday Sunday is like I want to relax. Okay, my hair. And get up very late, completing my 8 hours of sleep completely, and start the things. So what I have planned today is, first of all, I'll think what I should do today. So I have a couple of things in my mind to do today. I'll take you guys with me as well when I am doing things. The first and foremost thing is I got up and I had my tea already. I have a very bad habit, let me share with you guys. I never get up without any coffee or tea next to me. That is a very bad habit of mine, and I should thank my husband for every Saturday and Sunday it's his duty to get me coffee or tea before I get up. So he already got me and I had that. So you can see there is a lot of mess around in my bed. So I have a couple of things. As I said, today I'm not preparing breakfast. Means not preparing means it's already planned, and my mom is doing the breakfast, that is onion dosa, and for my daughter she asked me bread and jam, and I have taken a fresh butter, homemade butter bana hua hai. So bread, butter, jam, onion dosa, that is for breakfast. And first thing I'll do today is I'll apply some face masks, because these 2 days I like to take care of my skin so that it will be prepped for whole week. So I'll select some random face masks and show you guys as well. So I apply the face mask, clean my room, basically clean matlab bed, my laptop will be lying somewhere, books will be lying somewhere, and in my cosmetic section I'll show you guys every week I'll take out the earring, sorry for the background, take out earring, throw somewhere, my lipsticks will be in and around, my daughter will be taking something like that. Come. So I'll make those clean stuffs and keep my cosmetic in some places so that it will be handy for me for whole week. And I'll clean my room, then I'll go downwards. So basically my house is a 3-floor building, so duplex house hai, so I need to clean each floor as well. So I have a lot of cleaning routine in the weekends. So I have planned for lunch already. So I am planning for some biryani, veg biryani, and I have a mindset to prepare brownies today because I have lot of walnuts lying over there in my kitchen, and no one is having that. So I thought I'll be preparing brownie. I'll take you through the brownie recipes as well very quickly, not in details. So these are the plans. So we'll see how it goes. Coming said, this is my dressing section. You can see how messy it is right now. Tissues, earrings, my oil, makeup stuffs, and these things are from my daughter. She has opened and she has gone somewhere, I don't know. Everything is messed up. This is for 1 week. So what I'll do today is I need to clean this up, and also I need to pick up some face mask for me. So I have some face mask, I think right over here. This is from Fuchsia Detox Face Activated Charcoal one, and this is L'Oreal Palace Pure Clay Mask, and this is from Lodahari Ayurvedic Skin Repair Pack. Usually I'll be going for this one, so that's one. And I have some lipsticks lying over here which are messed up. I need to clean it up. my god, a lot of stuffs. And so what I'll do quickly is I'll apply this Lodahari face mask, one thing, and I'll show you. I have some drawers right over here which is also messed up things, some earrings, random hair dryer which I'll be using alternate days. I think I have some, yeah, these are the stuffs from my daughter. So I'll just pack her things in a pouch like this so that it won't go everywhere, and throw it in the drawer. So that's one. And other drawer is I have some jewelry stuffs over here. It's some jewelry. So that's one thing. I won't be touching these two drawers now. I'll just clean up these things. I'll quickly apply the face mask and get back to you guys. The face mask. Right now I'm going to my terrace. Why? Because I have few plants over there. So every week I'll just add new plants, add manure, and also make it clean basically. So that's what I'm doing. I'm also planning today. I have one more task to do. I need to fill up a few pots that are empty, and I need to sow brinjal, tomato, and chilies are coming, I think. Few vegetables because it's a rainy season started in the Bangalore. So if I sow now, I'll be getting the yield in 3 months. So that's the plan. So we have one more task added. So let's go to the terrace. So this is my terrace area. It may look quite messy right now because I have not cleaned up. Okay, my rose plant, I don't know what's wrong. Something has gone wrong from that, but I have here. These are jasmine varieties. I have 3 jasmine variety plants right with me. 2 rows. One has gone already. And this is hibiscus. I have 2 hibiscus plants. One is orange shade, one is red. Red it's blossomed. I will show you. Oh, this cute little one. I just sowed carrots. I think last week, so it's already come up. Great. So carrots are coming up here. This is an insulin plant and some tulsi, some flowers. These are some flowers, random flowers I have put in. This is lemon one. This is a curry leaf plant. It's so quite big. I'll be using the curry leaf from this only day-to-day basis. I never buy curry leaves. And I'll show you one interesting cute plant. Here it is. This is sitapal or custard apple. You can see it's a so small plant, but I have 2 fruits right over here and it's coming up very nicely. I love this plant. So this is one custard apple and some few flowery plants, and I have hibiscus, red one. It's beautiful. And I have few more jasmine varieties. You can see it's already blossom. This is a 7-layer jasmine plant. And I have beetle leaf. The beetle leaves, it's due to summer, it has gone dry right now, but as I told, rainy season is starting and it will come up, no worries. And I have some mint right over here. You can see it's huge. So usually I'll cut this. Already I have done 3 to 4 times of harvesting of this mint leaves, but it is coming beautifully. You can see. And I have some pomegranate. Last week I had few fruits as well. One more fruit is coming up right over here. This is pomegranate. I'll just show you some more. These are chilies. I just sowed them 15 days back. They have come up beautifully again. These are chili plant. Some more flower. These are random flowers. And this plant is cucumber. I'll show you. I think 3 or 4 cucumber was there. Yeah, right over here. Let me focus. Yeah, you can see cucumbers. Few more were there. I need to search them. So this is a green cucumber. So this is my plant area. So what I'll do, you can see one more cucumber coming up right over here. Few were there when I saw last time. I don't know. Okay. And these are we will call it, I don't know what is this plant all about. And I have some banana here. So this is my setup. What I'll do, I'll just water few and get down now. I'll remove the face mask. I'm back. I just watered and I'm getting down now. I'll just remove my face mask, head to the kitchen. I need to clean the kitchen as well. I think I'll clean up that cosmetic area and then go down. So one thing will be done. So then I'll be starting with preparing brownies, because before lunch is ready I want my brownies to be ready so that it will be cool enough to have it like it is. So let's get started. Just cleaned up my cosmetics section. You can see I just placed my watches right over here, and my perfumes are here, and some random kajals and lipsticks will be here, pencils I mean, and my foundation sections I placed here. These are some skincare like some serums, some essential oils, toners, and some night cream. And this is my lipstick section. I love lipsticks, so I have a lot of lipsticks right over here. Some hand creams, body lotions from Body Shop. This section is for oils like amla oil, navratna taila, coconut oil. Those are there, and I have few random stuff right over here which I'll be using on a day-to-day basis. Some random, I think this must go here, and kajal I'll put it right over here, and these are some random stuffs. As I said, eye cream which I'll use every day basis. This I need to clean it up. Oh my god, you can see in a week it has, oh my god. I'll clean up this. So random stuffs, let it be there. So there I have eyeshadows, blushes, and contours, something like that. And this box I have my brushes, random brushes. So this is stuff. It's clean right now. So one thing is I need to wash this. So that's done. So we'll go to the kitchen. I'm back to the kitchen. So I have made arrangement to make a brownies. So I've cut some walnuts, and I have some cooking chocolates, dark chocolate, and I have some Milkmaid sugar, and I'll show you the butter. This is a homemade butter. So I have some ingredients, so I'll start making the brownies now. I'll just fastly show you. If you want to see the full recipe, comment below. I'll just post in my channel. So let's get started with brownie. So guys, my brownie batter is ready. You can see how thick and how delicious it's right now. So I'll just move this to a tin, and I'll top up with some walnut, and I'll bake it. Guys, my brownie batter is ready. It looks delicious. I have topped up with the walnut. It will go to the oven for around half an hour now. Guys, my brownie is in oven. Now I am making biryani. So for biryani I'll be doing the dum biryani. So I'm cooking the rice now. Basmati rice I have added. For this I have added lychee, clove, chili, some salt, and I'm cooking. Once this is half boiled, my vegetables are already boiled, so I'll be dum it, and my lunch routine is ready. So it's almost evening now. Just now I had my coffee, so I think I'll be ending this vlog here. Now I'm heading out to get some grocery stuffs, and I'm going to my cousin's place from there. So I think I couldn't shoot that. So hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe below, and also comment below if you want to see this type of video in the future, so that I'll be happy to do that as well. So yeah, this is my weekend routine, how I follow my weekend. Hope you have enjoyed as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.